Hello and welcome to the video installation project. I'm Ted and I'm the production manager. The video installation project is a process that all students from across RADA get involved with. Together we put on an installation piece in the Gielgud, which goes alongside the other shows that are going on in RADA at the time. It's a completely student-led process, which meant we can do loads of different things.
Hi, my name's Evie. I am the sound designer on the elements of the Sublime video installation. I use PanLab to implement a lot of my design. For instance, obviously a storm is quite a big part of Kath's design. Simulating kind of like the movement of waves using PanLab was really fun, and it was really good to learn a new software. I know me and Kath and Abby and majority of people on this project, because it was kind of our own to make, we've allowed ourselves to have quite creative freedom, which meant learning new software, which is something that's been really quite nice, like this being all our own and being able to explore things that we hadn't been able to use before.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm the lighting designer. And on this project, I was actually the only member of the lighting team, so I've been programming for myself, and I was also my own production LX. And I think this kind of project is really cool because it means that we all get to work as students and make something that's completely led by us, entirely our own. I've been thrilled to work with Kath and Evie really closely on the creative team for the past few weeks, and we've just had an excellent time talking about different ideas, and all of the things that have come together have really come out of the conversations that we've had and the ways that we've all learned to communicate really effectively with each other as we're in creative processes.
So another really cool thing about this video installation, something that we don't really get a chance to do outside of it, is that we don't have any operators, we don't have any DSM, there's no one inside the room. It's that 10-minute loop that you'll experience that will just go on its own. It's kind of like a self-serving loop. Lighting will get OSC cues from sound, video will trigger a time code for everyone else, and it's been quite technical to put that all together, especially designing around someone else's content, but it's been a really good experience. And to be able to get such a quite packed speaker system in a space that's not that big and have a cue list of about over 100 for just 10 minutes of content has meant I've really been able to fine-tune it to what I want. I've allowed myself the room to give the audience the best experience.
This year, our designer Kath came up with the elements of the Sublime, which explores nature and how it affects the shows. We explored different aspects using different departments to create an interesting and immersive experience for our audience.
The audience will directly impact the content that they are witnessing, and I don't want to say any more than that, but it's been really fun to do some funky things.
Well, the sea, the ocean, the trees.
But I don't want to give it away, that's spoilers. No, I'm not spoiling it.